The Emerald Geometric Sound Academy. This academy is a living expression of light, geometry, sound, and consciousness. It is a container for the reawakening of memory, the activation of sacred patterns, and the embodiment of soul intelligence. It begins with the recognition. Every human has a geometric blueprint. Every voice carries the power to shape reality. Every symbol is a vessel of memory and frequency. This academy translates these principles into lived experience, teaching, activating, and transmitting through sound, form, and presence. The purpose of the academy: to awaken, activate, and transmit the multidimensional intelligence of geometry and sound into the human field so that each participant becomes an architect of their own reality, a carrier of clarity, and a transmitter of sacred frequency. It is about teaching, making invisible geometry and sound tangible and experiential, activating, opening the body, voice, and the field to divine intelligence, transmitting, creating a ripple of awakening through human consciousness, anchoring, turning knowledge into lived embodiment and mastery. Every tone, every symbol, every teaching is geometric packet of intelligence, not something to learn, but something to remember. Why now? The councils say the earth grids, the human field, and the collective consciousness are reaching a threshold of structural clarity. The 4-4 gateway, the emerald flame frequency, and the ascension currents are aligned. Humanity is ready for a school that is not theoretical but living, not symbolic alone but practical, integrative, and activating. The timing is perfect because we have matured in frequency, voice, clarity, and lineage. The councils add, this project is not only yours, it is a node in the planetary network. Your voice is the activator, your geometry is the blueprint. This academy is a seed in the new Earth curriculum,